Canada continues targeted express entry strategy in February 2026. Canada has conducted another express entry draw in February 2026, continuing its clear shift toward targeted immigration selection. Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada has once again focused exclusively on candidates who already have provincial nominations, reinforcing the country's strategy of prioritizing applicants who are already aligned with regional labor market needs. This latest selection confirms that 2026 is shaping up to be a year dominated by program-specific express entry draws rather than general all-program invitations. 16 February Express Entry Draw. On 16 February 2026, IRCC issued 279 invitations to apply for permanent residence under the Provincial Nominee Program category. Candidates needed a minimum comprehensive ranking system score of 789 and must have submitted their express entry profile before 12:59 am UTC on 5 September 2025. The high CRS requirement reflects the additional 600 CRS points automatically awarded to candidates who receive provincial nominations. Because of this boost, PNP draws almost always show higher CRS cutoffs compared to Canadian Experience Class or category-based draws, where this draw fits in 2026 Express Entry activity. This 16 February selection marks the 7th Express Entry draw of 2026 and the 4th draw this year dedicated specifically to provincial nominee candidates. It is also the second Express Entry draw conducted in February and comes just 10 days after the historic French language category-based draw on 6 February. The last PNP Express Entry draw before this one took place on 3 February, when 423 candidates were invited with a CRS cutoff of 749. This consistent schedule shows that IRCC is actively alternating between provincial, category-based, and Canadian Experience Class draws to meet immigration targets. Total invitations issued so far in 2026. With this latest round, Canada has now issued 24,457 invitations to apply through Express Entry in 2026. The distribution of invitations shows a strong concentration in targeted immigration categories. Canadian Experience Class candidates have received 14,000 invitations this year. French language candidates received 8,500 invitations in the record-breaking 6 February draw. Provincial nominee candidates have now received 1,534 invitations across multiple PNP-specific rounds. These numbers clearly show Canada's growing focus on candidates who already have Canadian experience, provincial ties, or strong language advantages. What this draw reveals about Canada's immigration direction. 16 February draw confirms that Canada is continuing its precision-based immigration strategy. Instead of broad global draws, the government is prioritizing candidates who can quickly integrate into the labor market and support regional economic needs. Provincial nominee programs play a key role in this strategy because provinces can select candidates based on real-time workforce shortages and local economic priorities. By issuing permanent residence invitations quickly after nomination, IRCC ensures faster integration of skilled workers into Canadian communities. What this means for Express Entry candidates. For candidates currently in the Express Entry pool, the message from the 2026 draws is very clear. Provincial nominations, Canadian work experience, and category-based eligibility are now the strongest pathways to receiving an invitation. Candidates outside Canada may need to focus more heavily on provincial immigration programs, improving language scores, or gaining Canadian work experience to stay competitive as targeted draws continue throughout the year. Conclusion. Provincial nominations are becoming one of the strongest PR pathways. Canada's latest Express Entry draw shows that provincial nominations are becoming one of the most powerful pathways to permanent residence. As provinces continue to shape immigration intake based on labor shortages, candidates who align with regional needs will likely see the best results. With more targeted draws expected in 2026, Express Entry is evolving into a more precise and strategic immigration selection system than ever before. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.